My name is William Bourdeau. I'm the Executive Vice President of Harris Farms. I'm the Chairman of the Board of the California Water Alliance, and I'm a Director for Westlands Water District. Well, the people in the San Joaquin Valley are some of the most honorable and noble people I've ever met. They put the food on people's table. They allow people to fulfill their dreams, live the American dream, because they don't have to spend all their time trying to find where their next meal is going to come from. Without water, you can't farm. And so it's not just the on-farm people that go without work. There's a lot of indirectly related businesses that suffer as well. And I think our domestic food supply capability would suffer tremendously. The water district that I'm involved in is about 600,000 acres of some of the most productive farmland in the world, and it's probably 99% drip irrigation. And so we do use some sprinklers for germination and things like that, but it's primarily drip. So billions of dollars have been spent in the district to be efficient and effective. And that allows you not only to save water, but apply it precisely when the plant needs it to increase your productivity. Water is a very precious resource, and we need to make sure we use it to the best of our ability. We don't waste it. We put it to the highest and best use, and the demands have increased. When the projects were built where we get a lot of our surface water, we're blessed in the state of California because we have the Sierra Nevadas, and it captures a lot of snowpack. And then pioneering individuals that came before us built these large water projects that can move water from Northern California all the way to Southern California. And because of the increased demand and the more uses of water, environmental uses, municipal uses, agricultural uses, we need to use this water efficiently and effectively and not waste it at all. And I honestly believe growing food is not a waste of water.